Welcome back. It's Jen. I'm going to be working on a little tag. I backed this piece with a notepad sheet. These come from Dollar Tree. They come in all different colors, just whatever they have in stock. I think I have 4 or 5 different colors now that I've bought throughout the years. I'm just going to clip off one corner and then reverse that piece and hold it on the other edge over here and clip that corner off so that they match. And now I have a little tag. I'm going to take my crocodile and punch a hole in the top. And then I'll add maybe an eyelet and some ribbon or string or something later. Now this blue and white paper, that is pressed paper. I don't know what the blue pieces are running through it, but it's really pretty. It's nice pressed paper. It came from one of those Walmart scrap packs that I bought. And then this blue side is a heavy cardstock. And I'm going to go ahead and turn this into a tag as well. I don't think I'm going to punch a hole in this one. Now, I chose this image from TaylorMade Journals. And I'm going to make a little pocket on this tag. Yep, just like that. So I'm going to run glue on both sides and across the bottom. And glue that down to this tag. Now I did leave a little tiny frame of blue around the edge of that image. I have this little note sheet, little tear off note sheet. And I'm just measuring. I'm going to fold this up to fit inside of this pocket. Just guesstimating the width. This one says live life in full bloom. Cute for a little fairy journal. I don't know if I rescued these or if I got these from Dollar Tree or Dollar General or Walmart. I have no idea where I got these from, but I know I didn't pay very much for them. Probably $1.25 or less. Just folding and pressing. And now I have a fold out note sheet. It slides right into this pocket. Now I do want to add this phrase that says fairy dreams, but I know that this isn't going to fit on the image. It is way too large. So the first thing I do is try to cut it down. And yay, it fit. So I'm going to glue that into place. And there's my tag with pocket and writing space on the back. Now this little tag, I want to add this quote to, which says, "Fairies made wishes come true." So I go through all the options and I mess with it and I mess with it, I mess with it, and I ultimately decide to put it on the corner of the page across from the pockets. Okay, I will continue working on this journal in my next video. Thanks for watching, y'all.